Lately, Luminar Technologies has been flashing and dimming in the eyes of some investors, while others still see the bright spark from years past, especially after it appointed Paul Ricci as its new CEO back in May. Ricci, previously chairman and CEO of Nuance Communications, replaced Austin Russell, who resigned following an internal Code of Business, Conduct and Ethics inquiry. Russell will remain on the board and assist with the transition. After all, Austin Russell founded Luminar in 2012 when he was 17. The highlight of Ricci's experience involves growing Nuance into a $2 billion company. He has also served in advisory roles for Lightspeed Venture Partners and Warburg Pincus and held leadership positions at Xerox. In Q3, Luminar reported a 21% year-over-year revenue increase, with $18.7 million in revenue driven by higher LiDAR unit shipments. Yet it posted a gross loss of $8.1 million, and its operating expenses remained high at $66.6 million, though showing a slight decline sequentially. Other financial pressure comes from a cash position of $74 million and negative free cash flow of $48.5 million. Luminar has suspended equity facilities and is exploring additional financing options. This financial strain contributed to a planned 25% workforce reduction by year-end. Luminar has also entered forbearance agreements with its senior secured note holders after missing interest payments in October and November. The new agreements extend the forbearance period until December 2nd, with discussions ongoing about a broader transaction. In addition, Luminar terminated its agreement with Volvo for hardware and software supply, amid unresolved disputes, further raising concerns about its partnerships and market position. This, as it's trying to undertake a major shift, expanding its focus beyond automotive applications to target non-automotive sectors such as trucking, logistics, aerospace, defense, mobility, security, and smart cities. Paul Ricci emphasized the company's commitment to its LSI photonics business, which now accounts for 1/3 of Luminar's annual revenue. This pivot is driven by delays in automotive program timelines and evolving relationships with key automotive partners, like Mercedes-Benz and previously Volvo. The termination of its framework purchase agreement with Volvo was an agreement signed in 2020. It was intended for Luminar to supply hardware and software for Volvo's global consumer vehicle platform. The termination follows a dispute in which Luminar had made a claim for significant damages against Volvo and suspended further commitments of its Iris LiDAR products. Luminar noted that there is no guarantee the dispute will be resolved in its favor or that litigation against Volvo will succeed. This legal issue comes as Luminar is already facing a significant debt burden of $449.59 million and struggles with a rapid cash burn, raising concerns about its financial stability. The Mercedes-Benz deal covers an agreement where Luminar develops and integrates its latest Halo LiDAR sensors into Mercedes vehicles, marking a shift from their previous agreement for Luminar's Iris LiDAR. This contract is the first for Luminar's smaller, more efficient Halo sensors, which are designed to support advanced autonomous and driver assistance features. Mercedes-Benz is evaluating next-generation LiDAR tech with Luminar, aiming for integration into its vehicles by 2026. The agreement could lead to a supply deal, though it does not guarantee one. Mercedes is also working with other LiDAR suppliers, like Valeo and Hesai. The Halo LiDAR is reportedly more compact and efficient, designed to blend into a car's roofline or sit behind the windshield. Yet Hesai is still in the running for being priced at $200 per sensor, whereas Luminar's Halo is priced at around $500. Though in the competitive LiDAR market, automakers are diversifying suppliers to reduce risks and manage costs amid geopolitical tensions. Going beyond regular road automotive LiDAR, Caterpillar and Luminar are collaborating on integrating LiDAR technology into Caterpillar's autonomous vehicles. The goal is to enhance CAT Command for hauling, a system used in quarry and aggregate operations. Luminar's Iris LiDAR sensors, critical for navigation and obstacle detection, will be installed on Caterpillar's off-highway trucks, improving safety and efficiency by providing high-precision environmental scanning. Caterpillar has over 30 years of experience in autonomy and currently operates autonomous trucks that have traveled more than 334 million kilometers globally. The collaboration builds on Luminar's success in the automotive sector, extending its LiDAR technology into industrial applications. So while the path to profitability has drastically dimmed, work with big names like Caterpillar still brightens the rough road ahead. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.